Does that 1921 blasting machine still work?
I think so. Let's find out.
What?
Let's do it again. And if you're interested in placing a bid, you can find this on my eBay. Great job, everybody. Well, before this thing sells on December 15th, 2018 at 9:40, I thought I'd give you a little tour of the blasting machine. So this thing was born on January 28th, 1921, and the father looks like to be George Jacobus, or Jacobs, and here's the brass screws that were used to hold in it. That's one of the telltale signs that you know it was old. And then up here, these are the two terminals. They're actually, it does make a difference, like, I forget which one is like positive and which one's negative, but if you have it connected wrong, you won't get any juice out of it. And here's the innards. It's basically like a little generator. And then pull that up and then depress it. That's the little lever that sends the voltage up yonder. And it really doesn't even take much to turn this light on. I'm just like, so that's pretty cool. And then right here you can see like dovetail joints all up along there, and yeah, original leather strap. And yeah, I'm gonna miss this thing, but it's time to let it go. And I suspect Wile E. Coyote will be placing some bids on eBay. Well, see you later.